Formalization is the sixth structural element. This is the degree to which jobs are formal or standardized. The greater the standardization, the less input people have into how their work is done. A highly formalized job gives people a minimum amount of discretion over what is to be done, when it is to be done, and how it should be done. They must follow an explicit job description and clearly defined rules and procedures. There is one best way to do the job. The result is consistent and uniform output, which can be a good thing when the organization is focused on creating a high-quality product or service. However, formalization does not go well with decentralization. Standardized work doesn't fit within a structure that aims to empower people at all levels of the organization. An organization that scores low in formalization provides people with the autonomy to decide what, when, and how to do their work. Different people in the same role may do the work in different ways. Low formalization does go well with decentralization.